Hi, Act 89 staff, your EdTech specialist, Christine here, and today I'm going to talk to you about the app Talkboard. Talkboard is an app that allows its users across multiple devices to work on a common project simultaneously live real-time. So it's real-time collaboration, real-time engagement. So we're going to open up the app, which looks like this, Talkboard. When you open the app, you're going to be prompted to either create a new profile or to utilize an existing one. Today we're going to create the new profile. I'm going to use this just for today as test 1. I had my class name, so like Gib on there, I've also utilized my first name, so I have a bunch of different profiles currently. Hit go, accept the terms of use. And then the board looks like this. When you come up, this is the main projects board. So under this main projects board, you'll have multiple areas, or I'm sorry, multiple projects that you can work on with different users. Today we're going to work on the untitled project, and as we look at the board here, we have our search board where we can search for members or various boards under the plus sign here if we don't want to look at them all at the same time. And we also have the settings button, which we can sign out with. I'm going to rename our untitled board for our PD today. So I'll click on that and delete it and rename it as a PD board. So all our information will go in there. Hit done. And as of right now, I'm the only member. We'll change that in a minute. So click on the PD board. And then the PD board, we can add multiple talk boards to it. So you can do different steps to a problem solving. You can do storyboard, however you'd like to handle it. So today I'm just going to use this as a test board 1. And same thing, click on it, rename it. And over in the top left or right hand corner is where we would invite people to collaborate. We'll do that in 1 minute. So let's click on the test board and talk about the add-on buttons. If we'd like to add audio and be able to speak at the same time while we're working, we'll use this button. You can mute your audio. You can import an image which can't actually be manipulated in any way. The only thing you can utilize it for is a background, so you can write on top of it. We can undo an action, redo an action, clear the entire board, and exit back out to our main screen. Along this side are all of our colors, so let me just scroll up and down. Pick my favorite to work with, and it comes in 3 widths, pen, ink, and paint. I'll choose the middle one so it's easier to see. And we're going to work on a math problem just because it's something that everybody should be able to do, and you can do it in multi-steps also. So I'm going to start writing double-digit addition, 25 and 14. Now I want someone to work on it with me, so I'll go down to my exit button over here, go back out to our main screen, and we'll be working with the buttons at the top here. This is the send to button. It allows us to send to Google Drive, YouTube, we can send to email. This is the button we'll be using today, which is the invite button. So we're going to click on that. And since our staff is equipped with Apple TVs, we're going to be using the AirDrop method. And that way, it's just a little quicker, a little faster than having to go in through the email and iMessage. So I'm going to click that. And I have my iPhone here with me, so hopefully it'll recognize that. It does. I'll click my iPhone. And my iPhone just received an alert that Talkboard would like to share a link. I'll accept it. And while that's working, let me pull up AirPlay. I'm going to exit out of all my other stuff here. And here are the 2 screens. So I'll click on Talkboard on my iPhone. And you can see how the screens match. Both screens have our PD board on it. This one says untitled. It'll update once we go inside of the board itself. So I'll click on our board on both the iPad and my iPhone, and you can see that they match. Let's work on the ones column on the iPhone first. So 5 plus 4, all right, 9 And you can see it's a little bit delayed, but it matches up pretty well. And we'll do the tens column on the iPad. So 2 plus 1 equals 3. And because the screens are a little bit smaller on the iPhone, it got cut off. But otherwise, it should match up. So we're going to exit out of both and just review a little bit. These are our invitation buttons. This is our add-on button, our main project, or our project board, and we're going to exit out to our main project board on my iPad. And then we have our main project boards here with our settings and our search bar. And those are all the features of Talkboard. I hope you enjoyed this screencast, and if you have any questions, feel free to email me or call.